This is sitting right on the cold air return, and it just keeps climbing up. Okay, now let's go back in the other room. Back in the other room here. It's already starting to drop as soon as I pull away from that cold air return at the bathroom door here. Let's see. Let's go inside. Bathroom door. 197, geez, I think it was just 6 or something way back there. The other side over there. So now we're going to go into the bedroom. See how that is there. 1776, 1765. Alright. 762. Let's go into the living room. Living room. 1768. 768 again. 63. 60. 760 again. Let's see. 56, 54. 51, 50. So it's dropping down. It's dropping down. So 743. Okay, so let's go. Let's go back in the other side there, on the other side of this vapor barrier. We're into the dining room. We'll go back over there. Let's see if this goes up in there. Okay. 1730, 32, 33, 34, 33, 30, 34, 35, 39, 4, 45. A little bit higher right here. 47, 45, 44, 42. Okay, 50. It's kind of hanging there a bit. Let's see what it is in that dining room again. Okay, we'll start out in the den here. This is my computer room. My bike is there. And computer right there. Now let's see. It's gonna stay. Come on, you piece of crap. Zoom in. Here. That's what's climbing a little bit here. 807, 809. Five, 25, 25, 22, 782, 5 is probably 30, 34, yeah. It's kind of hanging around 30, I guess, 830, 1.830. Yeah, okay, so let's go on the dining room. Let's see if it jumps up a bit here. 1847, yeah, it's going up a little bit here. 8, 7, 1, 7, 2, 7, 7. Where's it go? So 1, 8, 7, 2. 9. She's climbing a bit here. Just keeps climbing. Let me go over here into the kitchen and see if it even goes down a bit here. 1, 8, 3, 8, 9, 4, 7, 9, 0, 9, 13, so it's even climbing a little higher here over there, 1, 9. Okay, so 9, 2, 9, 13, and 15, 14, 18, a little bit higher there. 9, so 1, or 1, 9, 1, 0 to 1, 5 maybe is good there. So let's go back out here and see if this is going any lower over here. 9, 1, 5, 1, 2, still going a little higher. 1, 9, 2, 8. Just keeps kind of climbing here. 9, 3, 1, 3, 4. So let's put it back over here, right on top of the cold air return. See what that is. 9, 4, 3. There you go, all of a sudden she's starting to just jump. Yeah. And something right up to 6 or 8. So it's coming from the fucking cold air return. That's where it's coming from. The air conditioner is out in that front room there. It's not on. So it is not sucking anything in from the outside as if cars were parking out there and it was coming through. No, this is coming through the cold air return. And I think the reason that it got higher